everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sephora mini haul. I have just a few products that I wanted to pick out that I have not tried before and that sound pretty interesting to me. So I got those. I didn't want to spend too much because, you know, Sephora can break your bank. But they were having a sale, so I had to shop it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on that bell so you get notifications every time I upload. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to first start off with a little bag that I got. I went to the store and purchased these, and then I have a separate box that I ordered because I couldn't find exactly what I wanted in the store. So the first thing I got was the Tom Ford Black Orchid.
Bruh, can we just talk about how I called it Black Orchid? It is called a Black Orchid. I don't know what's wrong with me. I guess I can't speak or read, but it's fine. It's cool.
It's a mini spray perfume. And yeah, but I didn't know I was getting the spray. I thought it was a rollerball at first, but I bought a spray. Looks like this. It's perfect travel size, so you can take it when you travel. It smells really good. This is kind of a funny story. I went to Sephora looking for a new perfume, and I guess I was standing there too long smelling all the perfumes because this guy comes up to me that works there, and he was like, "Can I help you? Are you looking for anything specific?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I had like a tons of perfume in my basket. So he told me about Black Orchid, and when I first smelled it, like, it was in my basket because I don't know, I thought maybe because it's Tom Ford, it's obviously good. But when I sprayed it, it was really strong. Like, I don't know how I felt about it. It's definitely way different than if you spray it onto one of those testers that they have. But when you actually put it on your skin, it like suits your skin and makes you smell really good. I don't know how to explain it. To explain this perfume is like very sophisticated. Someone on the reviews, when I was reading it online, said it smelled like money or like min. I love this perfume. I think it's perfect for fall, perfect for any season, I guess. I think I'm gonna make this my signature scent. I've always wanted to have like a signature scent that I stick to, but this one smells amazing. My boyfriend loves it. He loves it. By the way, sorry I'm sitting in front of a door. I'm in front of my window. It's like 7 o'clock and the sun's going down, so we're losing light. Next product I picked up, I wanted to get a new concealer because I'm starting to run out of mine. It's new to First Aid Beauty. It's the Bendy Avocado Concealer. It has avocados in it. Like, what? This concealer is good for dryness, dark circles, and puffiness. I get really dry under eyes in the fall and winter, so this is perfect for me because that's not cute if you have dry under eyes, but yeah. What it is a flexible second skin concealer that provides buildable, weightless coverage with superfood avocado to help hydrate and nourish the skin. I got the shade Bone, if you're asking. It's the fairest shade because I really like to brighten up my under eyes and I am slightly pale. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm probably so pale you probably can't even see this, but I was supposed to do this. Like, what? But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really, really creamy. It's not very thick, so I wouldn't say it has too much coverage. So if you're looking for more coverage, this probably isn't for you. But I don't like lots of heavy makeup, so this is perfect for me. What I got from my box that I ordered, I got the Mushroom Coffee Mix by Four Sigmatic. I'm going to read a little bit about this for you. What it is: a go-to morning beverage to support productivity, focus, and creativity. And what else do you need to know? This product is organic, vegan, paleo, I think I'm saying that right, and instant. So it's an instant coffee. So when you open it up, oh shoot, I just broke off the edges. They like bend it off. I guess you can just break them off if you want. Anyways, I think this is going to be perfect for when I travel and want something to take with me because I need coffee wherever I go. It comes with 10 little packets and it's all instant coffee. The ingredients: organic instant coffee powder, organic lion's mane extract, organic chia extract, organic Rickedolia rosé extract, wild crafted. I butchered all that. Next product is by Nailsync. Sweet almonds powered by matcha. It's superfood boost, sweet almond oil and matcha for nail wellness. And it comes in this really pretty, like, kind of like bronzy shade. I think it's gonna be really pretty for fall. And anything for like healthy nails, like products to help your nails. I take biotin and my nails are like super hard, like they don't break off as much when I take it, and it makes it grow really long too. I think that's super cute. I can't wait to wear that for fall. Okay, this is the product I'm really excited for. I hope it's my shade. It's the foundation by Givenchy. For the longest time I was pronouncing it Givenchy, and I'm really embarrassed. But this is the Tint Couture Balm Blurring Foundation Balm with sunscreen, bare skin perfector, broad spectrum, SPF 15. And what this is like a BB cream, so it's not gonna have too much coverage, but I also heard it's like buildable, and this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. It is plastic, so it kind of has that drugstore vibe, but that's cool. At least they got a cute little handle thing. I hope this is my shade. I'm gonna cry if it's not. Just kidding, but let's see what this looks like. It's kind of orangey, but I think it might be my shade. I'm kind of a neutral, like I have neutral undertones, so this is like a mix of yellow undertones and pink undertones, and it blends into my hand really nicely, so hopefully it blends in my face. I will be doing a tutorial with this to let you know how I like it. I got mine in the shade 3 Nude Sand. I also heard this is for oily skin, so if you have oily skin, I think this is gonna be perfect for you. So actually when I was looking for foundations, I wasn't looking at this one first. I have tried the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and it's my favorite. So beautiful on the skin. I haven't used it in a while. I used to use it a lot, but I used it all and have never repurchased. I was going to repurchase, but I was like, Nichole, you need to try some new luxury foundation since there's a sale. So that is all I got from Sephora. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you'll try out some of these products that I got. I can't wait to use these products in tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below with any requests, and I look out all my social media. I'll link it all down below for you. And yeah, bye guys!